So market has just opened. I usually like to wait for 2 to 5 minutes before I start trading. So I will just wait to understand the direction of the market today. Yesterday market was in uptrend, closed higher, but market has opened a little lower today, but it's not significantly lower. So I will see if market is going to continue going down, or it would follow yesterday's trend. So so it's been 5 minutes. So I feel it's going to be in the uptrend. So I will bet on the long side and wait for a trade. I'll keep the scale in button on, so in case we have to scale in, we'll scale in as well. So market continues to go up. Software is not getting a entry yet. Usually software it takes an entry when prices are at a bargain. Well, I'm talking about long trades. It won't take trades when prices are already high. So I started to trade here somewhere at this, and there were already 3 green bars at that time. So market did not take any position. So the software will wait for a good pullback before it takes a trade. And good thing about the software is, you know, if it's it tries not to buy at a higher price, you know, and especially with contrarian strategy, that's not going to happen. It's going to take trade when it sees a bargain, and that's the right thing to do. We should buy low and sell high.
Order submitted.
Okay, here you go. There's an order placed here. Let's see if it gets filled.
Order filled.
Okay, so the order is filled, and we work for very small profit, and there is just 8 ticks of profit we are looking for. So here,
Target filled.
And in few seconds I got profit of $35 just with one contract. Okay, so in the beginning we trade only with one contract. You know, as you experience, you can take trades with 2 contracts, 3 contracts, and we'll show you you know, how that works as well. So I continue to trade. And in fact, since market
Order filled. Target filled.
see, one more trade happened, and one more profit of $35. So at this time, since the market is slightly going down, I will want to trade with three contracts. ATM 3 I have enabled, and let me see if I get a trade. If the market goes down further, I will. Now market is moving back up. Okay, so it's going back up, and so next pullback, maybe I will trade with 3 contracts, because the market trend is confirmed. Now its market is going up. I have confidence in market now. I can trade with a more number of contracts.
Order filled.
Okay, 3 contracts. It's going against me, so this could be a disaster. So this time I have to make a decision whether to take the trade or kill the trade or do something else. So there are ways to handle this kind of situation. If you allow me, I can continue to trade and I will salvage out of this situation I got myself into, but it's possible to come out of it. So I will use the scale in button and aggressive mode, and I will perhaps decide to add more contracts here. Again, adding more contracts depends on the account size as well. So what I may have to do is just buy additional time and additional decide to put in additional contracts, and then scale in mode is on.
Target filled.
I got profit. It came very close to the initial stop I had. I had to make some adjustments, decide whether to take the stop manually or do something else. Fortunately, I did not have to scale in. Without scaling in, I was able to come out. I was just allowing myself room for scaling in and coming out of the trade because it came down significantly. And I was very aggressive. I traded 3 contracts, which we normally don't do unless the market condition is very favorable. But just for the demo, to show you how 3 contracts would work, I traded with 3 contracts. Even then, for 3 contracts, I got 3 times $35 of profit, so $107 of profit total. Total 179 in last 30 minutes.